Today I will show many Kadwa weave, Katan silk sari and Iktara silk sari also I will show today. First I will show in this pattern. This golden zari part is pallu and this stripe blouse. In this pattern we have this sea green rose pattern design, this very light mint green. It has beautiful pastel color meenakari work, and this Katan tissue, very famous design. This is tussar color Katan tissue. And the last sari in this pattern is lavender lilac color. Now this very different tussar sari. This is pallu, black color, and this check pattern sari. This is pure tussar. And this zari is antique tone. This brocade part is blouse. This is skirt pattern, onion pink color sari. It has beautiful bouquet style buta in skirt pattern design. It has contrast blouse. One more sari in skirt pattern, very beautiful and different. This part is rancard style, this is skirt part, and here there is yellow and then it is green. This paisley pallu. On draping, it looks extremely beautiful and very different from regular sari. And this yellow color blouse, this Kora tissue net, last time we showed and all the sari got sold out. This time we have only one sari in this. This is the beauty of the sari. It is very transparent and the design looks extremely beautiful on this base, and it has zari base fabric. Now this Paithani style full kadwa weave, this border is full kadwa weave and here there is magenta color plain border. This is pallu. It is actually Iktara Kora silk. This body part, it is Iktara Kora silk and kadwa weave motif, and this is katan border part. And look at the reverse side. Every meenakari work is full kadwa weave. Blouse has stripes. Now I am going to show you 4 Iktara woven sarees. These are very beautiful and different. The color is little bit different in this green part from the video. I will post the picture in Instagram story. You can check there, or you can also check our YouTube video which I will upload after this live. And his blouse has brocade style zari, and this is border for sleeve. And the second sari in this, we have very good chiku color body part and this rani red orange stripe. This is Iktara silk sari. This is full kadwa weave. Iktara is much softer and it has beautiful feel, and on draping it has very beautiful fall also. Another sari. This is German blue with Rani pink. This is also Iktara weave, and this part is pallu. It has beautiful meenakari work in the border and in pallu also. Blouse is this Rani color zari part. One more sari. This is orange and Rani combination. This is also Iktara weave. In Iktara there is a small check type texture, and in Katan silk it is very much smooth, and Katan is little bit much more shiny than this Iktara. Both are very different from one another. Now I am going to show you Jangla Sari. This is Rani Magenta Jangla Kadwa weave. This is full Kadwa weave Meenakari, and look at the pallu of this sari. It's Mughal style motif in the pallu, and this beautiful Meenakari gold and silver Jangla, and this very intricate border design. This dark purple full Kadwa weave pure Katan silk. Actually it is double Katan sari, and double Katan sari has more shine and it looks extremely beautiful. The quality of the sari is very good. And the next sari, it is dark wine color, full Kadwa weave. It has silver Meenakari work in between all the flowers. Now red, this is also gold and silver Meenakari full Kadwa weave Jangla. This is bridal red sari. These are very limited in production and takes lots of time to complete one sari, almost 30 days to 35 days to complete one sari if it is woven regular basis per day. And this is Rani pink Kadwa weave Jangla cross pattern design. In this one cross is with silver zari and one is with gold zari, and the quality of this sari is also very good. This is royal blue full Kadwa weave. And lots of Meenakari it has, beautifully decorated with so many colors. This is pallu. Now this single zari gold Kadwa weave Jangla, and it has very beautiful jal design. Look at the leaves, flowers and the jal part. All the branches in this jal have been very beautifully decorated with flowers, small flowers, leaves, and the blouse is plain with border for sleeve. This is also full Kadwa weave Mughal style design, and there are so beautiful Meenakari work in this. Look at the buttas in between these frames. This is full Kadwa weave sari, and border has Meenakari work, and this is blouse. Look at the reverse side of this sari. This gold frame and silver buta, and this silver frame and gold buta with very beautiful meenakari work. Now I'll show you this Iktara weave Jangla sari. The fabric of this Jangla sari is Iktara, and it has very beautiful meenakari, jal and border. One more in same design, we have red. With purple salvage in the sari. Actually, this is strawberry red, not pure red. It comes from dual tone. This previous Iktara sari has this for this onion pink, this sea green color contrast color blouse. It has very good combination, and in this it has purple blouse with this Rani. It is pinkish red, strawberry red. So these two Iktara sari has contrast blouse with it, and the shine of this zari is not like Katan silk. It is dull look. It has very dull look, and it looks so beautiful on this Iktara base. Now this is Katan full Kadwa weave, gold and silver flowers, Jangla. It has very good contrast salvage. It's full Kadwa weave. Every part of the jal is locked in the fabric, and this plain part of the sari is blouse. And the last Jangla sari, this is sea green. Look at the pallu of this sari. This is very soft pure silk sari, full Kadwa weave jal, and beautiful border, meenakari border and blouse. These are all over designs. Now I am going to show you some booty patterns. This meenakari, it has gold and silver motif, and the blouse is plain with this border for sleeve. Look at the detailings of this border. And this is pallu. Another color, this is magenta color sari. It is very lightweight and soft. This gold and silver motif on the body and meenakari work in the border. Another purple color sari. This is magenta, little bit reddish tone, and this is purple. It is bluish tone. this plain blouse. Look at this. It has contrast blouse and beautiful, very beautiful border. The highlight of the sari is border with full minakari work, and this jal. Actually, this is cross design, and look at the blouse. So beautiful with this sari. Another single full kadwa weave. This is orangish pink color kadwa jangla sari. Only gold zari used in this sari. And this is pallu. The quality of the sari is very good. You can see the dual tone in this sari, like sometimes it looks like orange, sometimes it looks like pink, so it is because of this. Look at this Firozi color. It has silver Meena Kari in border, which looks very good on this Firozi base. This is Iktara sari, Iktara silk. This is reddish magenta actually. On the base of red warp of the sari is red, and the weft is magenta. It is very beautiful and soft silk. Now this light peach tone sari, very simple. Color is extremely beautiful. If you want something in pastel, this is the actual color. Now I'm going to show you this red. Look at its border. So beautiful it has. And the selvage of the sari is Rani. This is also Kadwa weave. Now this Meenakari wine color, full Meenakari it is. Its border, its booty, its pallu. Look at the detailings of this sari. The pallu part is with silver zari, and this gold border. It is not a regular pack border, it is open border with so many Meenakari work. In this flowers it has outline Meenakari, and in these small flowers there is in between these flowers Meenakari work. This dark navy blue Meenakari sari, and this very beautiful jal sari. This Rani magenta type Jal. This is Meenakari cutwork sari. Design is very beautiful, and this grey Meenakari work. Now I am going to show you Tussar Georgette sari. The Patni sari which I posted 2 days back in orange color. This is another Patni style sari. Actually, this is woven in natural form. You can buy natural, or you can also ask us to dye it in any color of your choice. So it can be dyed in any color. In this we have Buta pattern also. This is full Kadwa weave. And it has beautiful Meenakari border, and the zari in this sari is almost water gold type, very little tone of gold. It looks like silver. And another very beautiful Tussar sari. These can be dyed in any color. The zari and its Meenakari will remain as it is. These are very soft and lightweight sari. This is Jal pattern Tussar. The characteristic of Tussar is that its base is dusty tone, and the shining of zari looks very good on that dusty base. Now I will show you some Kadwa weave fabric for kurta. You can make it kurta, or you can use for anything, whatever you like. This is full Kadwa weave. Look at the detailings of this Buta, and let me show you reverse side of this. This is Kadwa. There is no trimming or cutting of the zari from anywhere in the whole motif. In this pattern we have different colors, different combinations. This black, gold and silver zari. This black, this is full Kadwa weave, rose motif. This is very good Buta, and this blue. Look how beautiful it is. You can make dress and pair it with any dupatta like off-white, cream. In this you can pair with any color of these meenakari work. So we have so many designs, so many colors. That's all for today. Thank you.